Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today in primary 4 we discussed about the chapter the method of offering prayers, salah. As you all know, prayer is called salah in Arabic. Prayer is the second pillar of Islam. Prayer is that obligatory duty. Obligatory means that it is compulsory and we have to perform it. It cannot be skipped. So prayer is an obligatory duty by which we gain intellectual. Intellectual means relating to the ability to think and understand. Physical, as you all know, when we offer the prayers, it is like an exercise. When we do the ruku and the sajda, okay, so we gain physical benefits and spiritual benefits as well. Its importance can be gauged from the fact. Gauged means to measure. Its importance can be measured from the fact when the first revelation was sent to Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, Allah the Almighty said, "Verily I am Allah, there is no God but I, so serve thou me only and establish regular prayer for my remembrance." So this verse is from Surah Taha. Dear children, today you will be told how to perform 2 rakats of prayer. Okay, so the first is intention, which is the niyat. This means to intend or plan to offer prayers. Whenever we intend to do anything, we first plan for it in our hearts and mind. Similarly, before beginning our prayers, we have to make the intention in our hearts that we are standing before Allah to offer our prayers. The next is Takbir Tahrima. Takbir Tahrima is basically Allahu Akbar. After intention, we raise our hands to the ears and say Allahu Akbar, meaning Allah is the greatest. This action is known as Takbir Tahrima. In Takbir Tahrima, we are required to raise our hands in such a way that our thumbs touch the earlobes. The earlobes are basically the soft part of our ears. Okay, after reciting Takbir Tahrima, both the palms are crossed in the standing position. This posture is called Qiyam. So this is the position of the Qiyam. Okay, so Qiyam means to stand upright. In this position, we stand respectfully and with reverence to Allah the Almighty and recite Sana. Okay, reverence means deep respect. So we recite the Sana, Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa tabarakasmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghayruk. O Allah, we declare your purity and praise you, and your name is full of blessings, and your greatness is supreme, and none is worthy of worship except you. This supplication is called Sana. Its aim is to declare the praise and greatness of Allah. Next we recite the Ta'awuz. Ta'awuz is A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajeem, and the Tasmiyah is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And then we recite Surah Fatiha, which is Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, and then any other surah. After this, what we do Ruku. Ruku is also called bow. After reciting the above 2 surahs, we say Allahu Akbar and then bow ruku forward, holding our palms on both knees. We spread out our fingers and bend in such a way that our waist is straight in line with our necks. Then we recite 3 times Subhana Rabbiyal Azim, glory be to my Lord the most great. So this is the position in which we do the ruku. In this position, the worshipper humbles himself before Allah the Almighty and recognizes his own insignificance, which means how unimportant we are, and we are only dependent on Allah the Almighty for everything in our life, and how unimportant and insignificant we are, while praising the mighty greatness of Allah the Almighty. As Subhana Rabbiyal Azim is glory be to my Lord the most great. Okay, so this is the explanation for today. Thank you and Jazakallah.